Kid and buongiorno. Today we are going to Italy. Oh, I am so excited for this. Gilles! Oh, mon Dieu, what a surprise. Hey, Olivia the ostrich and Gilles the giraffe. Bonjour. Hello. Why are you guys surprised? Oh, it's such a coincidence. Although they say there are no coincidences. Yeah, they do say that. But it just so happens that Olivia the ostrich and I are going to Venice this weekend. Oh yes, I'm already unpacked. Are you sure you got everything? Well, of course. You know I always keep a weekender ready to go at all times, Gilles. Being the world traveler that I am. Wait, the two of you are going to Italy this weekend? Wait. I didn't know. Did you want to go? Well, I kind of have plans, but maybe if you had told me sooner. Well, next time we'll let you know. Gilles and I just love to get a little away, a little jaunt through Europe. You know, visit the old continent. Oui, since, I'm French. Yes, of course. And I am British. Yes, obviously I know that as well. We'd like to go back to the old European continent and, have a little fun. Ride the gondola. Have a little gelato. Hear some music under the stars. It is very fun. I'm going to go finish packing, okay? Ooh la la. All right. Well, I'll go be waiting in the car. Don't take too long, Gilles. Oh, wow. I had no idea. How fun. Well, you know what? We're going to go to Italy now. That's right. We're going to go to Venice in this gondola. That's what they were referring to. In case you didn't know what a gondola is, this is what it is. It's like a canoe, right? But specifically in Venice, a city that is completely surrounded by water. This is how they get around, and the tourists go, and we ride these things, and we had an amazing time. And in this case, we're having a Venetian lullaby. That's because it's Venice, Venetian, Venice. And since it's a lullaby, you know that could only mean one thing. Perfect. I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's do this. It's going to be very soothing. Hear the water lap, lap, time to take a nap. Drop the oar in deep, deep, time to go to sleep. Wrap up in this blanket, baby, cuddle on my lap. Rest your eyes while pigeons rise. Time to take a nap. Curl up like a drowsy kitty, dozing in the square. Float like kites of drying laundry, lifting in the air. Boatman's gonna sing, baby, close your sleepy eyes. Bells are gonna swing and ring, music in the skies. All around the stony city, lions lift their wings. Watch them fly through cloud and sky. Dream of lovely things. Drift down streets of water, baby, close your sleepy eyes. Dipping oars and curtain doors sigh their lullabies. Count the wells and curvy bridges, number them like sheep. Masks and windows made for dreaming, ease you soft towards sleep. Feel the boat, the bobbing, baby, close your sleepy eyes. Past the peace of cobbled streets, there your dreamland lies. Neighbors on the bridges babble, murmur light and low. Down here in your cradle boat, let your stirring slow. Mama's gonna sing, baby. Close your sleepy eyes. Time to go to sleep, my angel. Hush, you dragonflies. Hear the water lap, lap. Time to take a nap. Drifting down so deep, deep. Falling fast asleep. Sweet dreams, kid. And thank you for coming to Venice with me. Buona noche. Or as they say over there, I think, buonasera.